Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot: Chicken Pot Pie Casserole. Let's get to the ingredients: black pepper, salt, garlic powder. In this bowl here, I have diced celery, onions diced, and green onions. I have dry thyme here. You can use fresh thyme if you like. All-purpose flour, Dijon mustard, unsalted butter, chicken broth, whole milk. I have in here peas and carrots. And in this bowl, I have diced up chicken. And for the topping, because we're going to need a topping, I have here biscuits. You can buy store-bought biscuit or you can make your own. Whatever you choose, it's fine. Now let's start making the sauce. I have a skillet here, and I'm going to turn it on medium-low. The first thing we do is add the butter. We add the celery, the onions, and the scallions. We're going to let this saute up together for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the black pepper and some salt. Now that the onions, the celery, and the scallions have sauteed up enough, we're going to add the peas and carrots. We're going to let this saute up together for about a minute. Now, the vegetable has sauteed up enough. It's time to add the flour. Now we're going to stir this up and make sure all the vegetables are coated in the flour. We're going to cook this for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to move on to the next process. Now that everything has cooked up together, it's time to make the sauce. We're going to add the milk and whisk everything together. The thyme, the Dijon mustard, the chicken broth, and the garlic powder. Excuse me, I said onion, this garlic powder. Now we whisk this up together until it gets thick. We cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Well, let's see. The sauce has thickened up enough, and now it's time for the chicken to jump into the sauce. We're going to fold this together. I have the oven set to 370 degrees. I'm going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Yep. Now let's assemble the chicken pot pie casserole. Have the casserole dish here, and we're going to put the sauce into the dish. Now we're going to add the biscuits to the top of the casserole. Here you have it, chicken pot pie casserole. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.